I'm turning.
What's up, y'all? So we're downtown. I just decided to turn the camera on just to start a vlog, just in case we end up vlogging more. We're actually gonna go into a scene for another video for Jaybird. So let's see how this goes. Jay's getting ready for his next his stuff.
And when I asked him about it, he's like, yeah,
Oh, you went blurry.
their numbers that
There it goes.
so they pretty much just gave away that car. So he
Was that like 200 right there?
yeah. Your husband works there, I guess.
He did it!
Here's 5 million.
He's getting ready for his shoot. We got Aaron over there, Mr. Shapiro, DJ.
Listen, I told you again and again and again. We're not playing Loteria with Norma and Juan anymore. Because they always cheat, Wilita. And then, after I say that, he's gonna bust it. Cortez. Like
So he needs to listen.
Yeah.
Listen.
Hey.
Adam.
What
Dang. Alright, so.
Cortez.
Not yet. At the door, little creaky open.
Yeah. My turn.
After I say because they always cheat, Wilita, you'll come in here. Cortez!
Gotcha.
Say what authority? Put your balls down and everything.
Cortez.
Cortez!
What's gonna suck is I'm gonna do it, my voice is gonna crack, watch.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wilita, I told you, we're not playing Loteria with Juan and Norma anymore. Because they always cheat, Wilita. Cortez! What the? What a loser! I'm just playing, guys. He's not a loser. We actually planned that, okay? Continue on. With the
But did we?
1, action.
Wilita, I told you again and again and again. We're not playing. I'm sorry. I told you for the last time. We're not playing Loteria with Juan and Norma anymore. Because they always cheat, Wilita. What? Wilita, I gotta go. Oh. We'll talk about this later. Okay. Actually, I forgot. Hand me. Wilita, I told you again and again and again. We're not playing Loteria with Juan and Norma anymore. Because they always cheat, Wilita. Chinga.
Cortez!
Okay, cut.
Action.
Oh, Wilita, I gotta go. Chief is here. Okay. I love you too. Bye. Yes, Chief.
They made it around.
Okay, cut. In 3, 2, 1, action.
They made that around.
Hey guys, I got the coffee. Hey Camp, let me let who out?
Pizza.
You should.
Okay, cut. Oh, hold you up there.
Hold the phone. I don't know how to hold it up though.
Table for 2?
I can't hold it up.
Actually, it's Detective Cortez.
I don't even know if I'm
That
getting
said
anyone.
Detective Dan.
Shut up.
What'd you say? First floor.
First floor.
First floor.
Vlogger.
Second
Oh,
floor.
yeah.
Dude, I think you should,
Go ahead and
do
record it
the
when the door
Snapchat
opens,
thing
okay?
again.
6,
6,
5, 4,
3, 2.
Yes, very big asshole.
Okay. So,
Full set? Right on set?
you stay in here. Okay, so just me, Aaron, and DJ.
I need the other shot. I don't know. I don't know.
I did that?
The Rand. Dude, that's cool. Alright, so while they're doing that back there, we're waiting on them to hurry up with the scene. Nate and I are over here. Nate found this thing right here. Check it out. So it's that, but when he hits something, it changes that. See the other one? Or? Which one? That big one. It's really cool. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so that little control panel changes all those little things up there. Trying to find it. That's good. Anyway, that's pretty cool. So that's what we're doing. We're waiting on these guys to film this other scene that they're trying to get right now for this video. It's coming along pretty great, but I played the, what was the captain? I played the chief, and my part's already done, so I'm good. Now we're just waiting on them. We need to move. Nate, move. We're in the shot apparently.
Let's get all this one done part right here. And then
Just shake that ass, bitch, and let me see what you got.
I was aiming there.
Okay, cut. Open it. Open it.
Wait, are you a cop? What are you? I don't even know what you are.
Counselor.
You're the counselor. Okay. Aaron's a counselor. You're letting them out of the crazy house. But he's not a rapper, folks. Alright, I don't know where these guys went. They went to go shoot some more, I think. You know, it's like every vlogger, they gotta do this, so the background gets really dizzy. Like you're watching the video and you're like, what the hell is that? What's going on? Freaking vloggers, man. I don't know why. They gotta move all the time. I know I do that a lot.
When I was 8 years old, I was
Partner's out of shape, sir. No, your partner's out of shape. He'll eventually get his back. Do you have a wooden gun too?
Said I asked mama what's wrong. She said, baby, if you ever listen, said the purpose I'm so. My mama told me that she had cancer, mama might die soon. My mama told me she might die soon. Mama told me she might die soon. And when I was 16, standing on that bar, black multicolored, pulled up, started letting out stars. That's when the bullet wave across my head, and then I lay there laying out my head.
I'm turning.
I'm actually going to always
Cough. Okay, now say, whoa, Dr. Renner.
Doing a POV.
Wow. It's gotta be on your head though.
Wait, how do you know what POV is?
perfectly, man.
Yeah, how do you know what
It's gotta be on your head though.
Yeah, what happened to 7?
Oh my god, wait, Eric, come back.
Casting couch.
Mr. I want to get
Still our doctor. He needs a doctor now.
We're gonna get something to drink. Huh? I said we're gonna get something to drink. Because there's nothing on the for to drink.
Unless you want to live it.
No, there's no
They're out of sodas?
They don't have the machine.
There is a machine. Oh, is there?
No, there's not.
Yes, there is.
I checked.
I believe a doctor over you. I'm serious. There's.
I swear to God, I checked.
There is a machine.
Alright, we're gonna go back
It's on the
down.
island.
Okay.
It's on the island. It has to be. It has to be on the island. Well, last time I checked, it was on the island.
You know, it helps you push the button.
No, oh God!
Time.
Son of a
Never put always down.
The 6s and the 8s look the same.
No, fix your glasses.
You dyslexic bastard.
And this guy's about to go do surgery.
This is the guy that meant to press the up button, but you press the down button.
The elevator's gonna be like, screw you.
Coronary heart surgery in just like 5 minutes.
Sorry,
I don't even have a watch.
That was at 6 p.m., not 8 a.m. My patient has been late like 3 minutes.
I'll be last. No, I don't want to be last anymore.
you want to mix it around a little bit to it still makes sense, go ahead and go pretty deep. You want to shorten it to a little bit.
Check this out, guys. One of the cool features about Geekdom is they have these little rooms, have all this padding behind me for soundproofing, and it's kind of like the old school phone booths. Because outside of here, they can't really hear me. But they're really cool. So you can come in here and make phone calls and stuff like that, and nobody can really hear you. Even if you scream your head off, like nobody outside these walls can actually hear what you're doing. So there's glass on that side, another wall with some more padding, and the door. So it's actually pretty cool.
I look darker as freak. Na 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 na. Maybe if I am sun-kissed. I don't care what it is.
I did my best to film what I could have filmed with the Jackson. I wanted to play it. Anyways, what I want to get is something.
Oh, over here. That's over there.
Alright, now get on walking this way.
Huh?
Get on walking this way.
Alright everybody, so it's a wrap on this video for tonight. Behind the scenes with Jaybird videos, DJ EM 210, Eric Lee Parodies, and of course NNA Vlogs. And Eric is here also, but he had to go to work.
Hey, when you posted this video?
So, I don't know, dude.
Post it tomorrow.
I could try.
You want to know why?
Why?
I'm telling you to post it tomorrow.
Why?
Because if you come Wednesday night to SA Meetup YouTube Create, you might see
A
the
little
video.
sneak preview there? A little sneak
A
preview action?
little early screen. Before we get
Alright,
tonight.
So, you heard it there first. I got permission from Jaybird. So we'll see what I can do because I gotta work and I don't want to stay up. Maybe I can get him to edit for me.
Put you in there. You like it?
I doubt it. I don't think he's gonna edit for me. So, as I was saying, that's gonna do it for this video. Be sure to check the links in the description. All of these guys are always linked in my description, pretty much all the time. Where's that guy? Yeah. So, check the links. Check out the links for our t-shirts as well. You can get some merch. And
Also shirts now.
everybody's selling shirts too. If you click the links in the description, you can check out their stuff too. They all have shirts and merch and all that good stuff now too. So anyway, we had fun as always. See how quick I can get this video up. And we're just gonna have fun downtown and get the hell out of here. Thanks for hanging out with us. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.